think they may, next year we need to do this too. In fact, let's just make this a permanent thing year after year, especially some of the high school kids.
Right.
All right, let's talk about the forecast and see what's going on. We've got some tropical things going on, and of course now we get into the second half of August, September. This is the busy time now. Usually mid-August through mid-September is when things start cooking, and right on time, that's what's happening. Here's one area we're keeping an eye on. Here's another area which is a bit stronger, and this is now called Tropical Depression 13. Doesn't have a name yet, just a number. Still a number, still a number. Sustained wind at 35 in a portion of the area, but pressure's been falling a bit. Pressure's still fairly high. They expect this to become a tropical storm, and that happens when that wind becomes 39 miles per hour. But look at the forecast. That is for it to remain a tropical storm. Now, that's not to say it won't become maybe a weak hurricane in and out of this progression, but it's not looking like a major hurricane by any means at this point. 68, gorgeous day today. It's kind of cool out here. We've got a light northerly breeze around 7 miles per hour. 60 in Louisa. They were down to 58 earlier, but 72 along the Chesapeake Bay. Of course, they tend to reflect the water temperature a little bit more over there. 67 down in Emporia. This is yesterday afternoon's rain. Stayed south of the interstate as we expected. Way south, in fact, the city of Richmond got nothing. But look what happens. You get through Dinwiddie and Prince George and southward yesterday a couple inches. And then yesterday morning, I was talking about that rain live on the air, and they had not quite an inch in some areas. Here's a look at the radar and satellite now. We do have a little energy down to the south, southeast, and that's going to keep most of our showers south of the interstate again today. You can see by the afternoon and evening hours, the bulk of those stay away. So I hope a lot of folks could avoid rain again. And I know you folks down in parts of Dinwiddie and Prince George, you don't need more rain. You've had a lot, but you may get a bit more today. 80s though, nice and cool for us today, but we warm up but dry out next week. Reba.